An iPad can be a laptop replacement, depending on your workload, but you'll need an iPad keyboard to maximize its potential. A keyboard is one of the most useful iPad accessories because it significantly changes the tablet's capabilities. Typing becomes easier, and shortcuts like copy, CMD+C, paste, CMD+V, and cut, CMD+X, can be used to manipulate text without touching the screen. Many productivity apps on the iPad support their own keyboard shortcuts to easily access settings without touching the tablet's display. The best iPad keyboards will help extend its usefulness and help you take full advantage of this incredibly powerful gadget. Number 1. Logitech Combo Touch. If you're looking for performance similar to the Apple Magic Keyboard, but at a lower price point, this keyboard folio from longtime Apple partner Logitech, makers of mice and other accessories we love, is a perfect fit. The Logitech Combo connects to your iPad via the Apple Smart Connector, similar to the Magic Keyboard, to give seamless connectivity and power. This makes packing and using the Combo a breeze. The Combo also offers a kickstand on the back to allow you to prop your iPad up and even allows you to change the viewing angle for the greatest comfort. If you are building out your iPad ecosystem, you'll also enjoy that the Combo comes with space to store your Apple Pencil, which is great for those who use their iPads for drawing or other creative work. The trackpad is easy to use, though some might find that the small keyboard keys laid out close together can lead to some accidental button presses and typos. Number 2. Zagg Pro Keys. If you don't need a trackpad but still want keyboard performance, this Zagg's option gives you all the keys you need, including arrows and iPadOS-specific function keys, for an affordable price. While this case is a bit wider and heavier than other folio keyboard case options on this list, it does give robust full-edge protection for our iPad. If you are looking for a bit more streamlined use, though, the keyboard detaches from the case, so you can more easily use the iPad while relaxing or drawing. And, if drawing is your thing, this case also has a slot for an Apple Pencil built in. When you are using the iPad for work, though, the case has 2 viewing angles to keep you comfortable. The keyboard keys themselves are very quiet, though they are a bit small and can lead to some typos. For a bit of fun, the keyboard keys are backlit with 7 different colors that you can cycle through for whatever color matches your energy. Number 3. Brydge 12.9 Pro Plus Wireless Keyboard. If you'd like to turn your iPad Pro into a MacBook essentially, Brydge's 12.9 Pro Plus Wireless Keyboard is the ideal accessory. The keyboard is made from aluminum and has the same keyboard layout as Apple's laptops. It connects to your iPad wirelessly over Bluetooth, held securely to the tablet by slotting it into 2 clips on top of the keyboard. Once installed, you can tilt the keyboard forward and backward with pinpoint precision. If you've put off getting an iPad keyboard because of the lack of flexibility, this keyboard design solves that issue. We found both the keys and trackpad on Brydge's keyboard to be very responsive. Every key press was registered, and we very rarely had a dropped character. Our experience with this keyboard's trackpad was similar. We felt we had total control over the iPad's cursor. Movements, swipes, and clicks were all registered, and scrolling, in particular, felt smooth. Brydge released software updates through its iPadOS app to continually improve performance as Apple updated its operating system. Number 4. Logitech K380. Unlike other entries in this article, the Logitech K380 is a proper external wireless keyboard rather than a keyboard case. Because of this, you get a lot of versatility that comes with not having your keyboard attached to your device. Chief among this flexibility is the ability to attach this keyboard to 3 devices and switch through them with the push of a button. It makes it supremely convenient to move between your iPad, MacBook, or even your phone. The keyboard also comes with a full slate of keys that make the keyboard more convenient, including playback control, brightness keys, and volume keys. While this keyboard does not attach to your iPad, it is still supremely easy to bring along with you anywhere you go. That's because the compact keyboard weighs less than a pound and comes in a compact and sturdy build that easily fits on your lap or a tabletop. Number 5. Apple Magic Keyboard for iPad. The Apple Magic Keyboard for iPad is the flagship model of iPad keyboard cases and comes in a variety of sizes for different models. As such, it has the fit and finish you'd expect. The quality and ease of use are the same as the iPad itself, but it comes with a high price tag to match. Rather than plugging in this keyboard case, the keyboard connects to your iPad with the Apple Smart Connector, which also allows it to draw power from your iPad, so you don't have to charge the keyboard separately. This does, of course, limit your keyboard use to iPads, though, so you won't be able to link this to other devices, and your keyboard will draw down the battery of your iPad. The keyboard case covers the back of the iPad but won't cover the sides, so if protection is a big concern, you might want something more robust. The bottom is rubberized though, so that it will stay in place, and the handsome floating cantilever design allows you to adjust your viewing angle, and just looks awesome.